We shall learn about air pollution today. We are all aware that our environment is not what it is used to be. The environment has changed and is changing a lot day by day. Environment today is not same as that of 100 or 1000 years back. In the name of development, we changed our environment. If I have to be more specific, we have deteriorated our surroundings. We ourselves feel the impact of the falling quality of air and water in our lives. The number of people suffering from the diseases of the respiratory system. We shudder to imagine a time when clean air and water may no longer be available. We can survive for some time without food, but we cannot survive even for a minute without air. The simple fact tells us how important clean air is to us. Air consists of a mixture of gases. By volume, about 78% of this mixture is nitrogen and about 21% is oxygen. Carbon dioxide, argon, methane, ozone and water vapor are also present in very small quantities. We may have covered our nose while passing a brick kiln, emitting smoke or started coughing while walking on a busy road. When air is contaminated by unwanted substances, which have a harmful effect on both the living and the non-living things, it is referred to as air pollution.
Thank you guys for watching our video, and if you like our video and want to watch more of such video, then why wasting your time? Just click on the like, subscribe and the bell icon.